hello boys, hello girls. Today inshallah we complete unit 1 meaning of the ratio. In last video we study together meaning of ratio. Now we will know properties of ratio. First property I have ratio has same properties of common fraction in reduction. Ratio has same properties of common fraction in reduction. Reduction mean must put in simplest form. يعني ايه؟ يعني reduction هنا معناه ان انا لما يكون عندي ratio must put in simplest form. Try with me in next example to explain this property in more details. First example I have following ratio in simplest form 16 to 64. 16 to 64 I can simplify by divide 2. This even number and this even number can simplify by divide 2. But I know 64 8 times 8 and 16 2 times 8. Then I can simplify by divide 8. The repeating or the common number here 8 can be simplified by divide 8. By divide 8 equal 2 to 8. 2 to 8 is even number can simplify by divide 2. 2 divide 2 1 2 8 divide 4 2 4. The ratio in simplest form 1 to 4. Number 2 185 to 370. In this 5 and in this unit 0. If I have in unit of number 0 or 5 can simplify by divide 5. 185 divide 5 equal 37. 370 divide 5 equal 74. Check it. It's a simplest form or no? To make sure, try with using calculator. 37 divide 74 in simplest form half. I can simplify again by divide 37 by divide 37 1 to 2. 19 to 144. 19 to 144. This unit even but this odd. Can't simplify by divide 2. Try with divide 5 must be 0 or 5. Try by divide 3 the sum of digit 1 plus 9 10. This digit sum بتاعها 10. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 4 9. Can't simplify by divide 3. But check it by using calculator to make sure it's in the simplest form. 19 divide 144 equal the same 19 over 144. So it's the simplest form. يبقى 19 to 144 it's simplest form. Number 4 21 to 42. 21 to 42. I studied before 21 3 times 7 and 42 7 times 6. The repeating 7 can simplify by divide 7. 21 divide 7 equals 3. 42 divide 7 6. Can be simplified by divide 3 1 to 2. The last one I have, if I have ratio between 3 number, make the same between 2 number. هنعمل نفس اللي عملناه مع 2 number هنعمله مع 3 number. الموضوع هيبقى اسهل شوية. 21 3 times 7 will 30 3 times 10. 12 3 times what? 3 times 4. The repeating here 3 can simplify by divide 3. By divide 3 4. By divide 3 10. By divide 3 7. So the simplest form 4 to 10 to 7. It's easy. This is first image of first property I have in ratio. Put the number in the simplest form or put the terms of ratio in simplest form like fraction in reduction. Next property. Next property, terms of ratio must be integer number or whole number. Integer number or whole number like 144, like 52, like 76, like 2, like 0, like 10, and so on. Number must be whole number. I have type of number like decimal we studied before in grade 5, and fraction we studied before in grade 4. But in this must be the terms of ratio whole number. If I have decimal number, how I solve it? First, convert the decimal number to whole number. How I convert it? Look with me. Put the following ratio in the simplest form. First, 2.7 to 18.9. This decimal number and this decimal number. I have condition or I have property in ratio. Terms of ratio must be integer or whole number. Whole number must convert the decimal to integer number. How I convert it? By get point out the number. by get point out. بإن أنا أخلي البوينت إيه out. How I make it? The point here after one digit and the point here after one digit. I study in grade 5 to make point out time 10 time 100 time 1000 according to the decimal place type. Here after one decimal place and here after one decimal place, so I can time 10. If I make time or divide in term ratio must do in the two terms or the three terms. يعني لو هعمل operation على الترمز بتاعت الريشيو must do the same operation in the the terms. 2.7 times 10 27. 18.9 times 10 189. I can simplify by divide. طيب شيك كده. 2 plus 7 9. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 9 18. 18 and 9 find in table 3. So I can simplify by divide 3. By divide 3, 27 divide 3 9. 189 divide 3 63. Again divide 3, divide 3 3, divide 3 21. Again I can simplify by divide 3. 3 divide 3 1, 21 divide 3 7. Next example, 2.3 to 5.76. Decimal point here after one digit, here after two digit. To get it out, I can time 10, but I have the same problem in this term, the point after one decimal place. So, if the point after one in term and after two in another term, time the more. يعني هعمل في الزيادة، هعمل time ايه؟ 100. بقى 230 to 576. It can simplify by divide. It's even number, and even number can simplify by divide 2. By divide 2, 230 divide 2 115. 576 divide 2 288. Can I check by using calculator? 115 divide 288. It's the same, the simplest form. Next example, 18 to 6.3 to 0.42. Here it's a whole number, but here it's what? It's a decimal number, point after one digit and here after two digit. I time by time 100. Time 100 equal what? Equal 1800 to 630 to 42. I can simplify by divide. 1 plus 8 9 plus 0 plus 0 9. 6 plus 3 9 plus 0 9. 4 plus 2 6, can simplify by divide 3. By divide 3 600, by divide 3 210, by divide 3 14. I can simplify by divide 2, this even, divide 2, divide 2 300, divide 2 105, divide 2 7, so it's simplest form 300 to 105 to 7. Next image, our second image, is fraction term. If I have ratio but its term is fraction, in this I have decimal terms, but in this I have fraction terms. How I solve it? Try with me to understand. 3 over 5 to 3 over 7. 3 over 5 to 3 over 7. The denominator here 5 and the denominator here 7. I have a problem, this fraction and this fraction. Terms of ratio must be whole number. To solve this problem, convert fraction to whole number. How I convert it? Look at the denominator. Denominator here 5, denominator here 7. So time the terms of ratio by denominators. Time 5 times 7. Do the same. Time 5 times 7. Cancel 5 with 5. 7 times 3, 21. Cancel 7 with 7. 3 times 5, 15. Can simplify by divide 3. By divide 3, 7. By divide 3, 5. So the simplest form 7 to 5. Next example, 8 over 9 to 2 and 2 over 3. It's a mixed number. Convert to improve fraction. Same denominator, 8 over 9, 3 times 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. I have another way. Put the first term as the same, 8 over 9. 2 mean divide, 2 mean divide. Convert it to time. And inverse or opposite the fraction. Here. الترم التاني ده هعمله الانفرس بتاعه. هي 8 over 3 write as 3 over 8. So 8 times 3, 9 times 8. Cancel 8 with 8. Divide 3, 1, divide 3, 3. 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 1, 3. Or 1, 2, 3. The simplest form. I have two ways. First way, time in denominators to convert. Or another way, put the first as the same to the second, the first as the same to inverse time and inverse the next term and find the result. But this way between two terms, but I have three terms like this. لو انا دلوقتي عندي 3 terms زي ده هعمل ايه؟ Make the first way. Look at denominator 3, 2, 4. So time in denominators, time 4, time 3, time 2. Time 4, time 3, time 2. Time 4, time 3, time 2. Cancel 2 with 2, 3 times 4, 12. Cancel 3 with 3, 2 times 4, 8. Cancel 4 with 4, 3 times 2, 6. So 12 to 8 to 6 can simplify by divide 2. By divide 2, 6. By divide 2, 4. By divide 2, 3. It's the simplest form. I have another question. 0.84 to 2 and 3 over 9. المشكلة هنا أحلها أقول put denominator as the same. 2 times 9 18 plus 3 21. But here this decimal can convert as fraction. 0.84 mean 84 over 100. Point after 2 decimal place, so number over 100. Put the first as the same, 84 over 100. Divide, convert time and inverse the fraction 9 over 21. هو هنا كان 21 over 9 عملت له inverse خليته ايه 9 over 21. Then simplify. Divide 3 divide 3 7. Divide 2 42. Divide 2 50. Divide 2 again 21. Divide 2 25. Divide 7 1. Divide 7 3. 3 times 3 3 over 25 or 3 to 25, the simplest form. Next property I have the third property and the last one. Ratio is what? Ratio is comparing between two quantities or more have same type and same unit. Let's explain in more details with this example. The ratio is comparing between two quantities or more have same kind or same type and same unit. يبقى أنا دلوقتي عندي إن أنا لازم تكون عندي إيه إن الunits and the type of the terms of ratio is the same. طيب if I have different unit like gram and kilogram, it's easy to convert from kilogram to gram by time 1000. As the same do with the next example. But remember with me first, if I have convert from kilometer to meter time 1000, from meter to decimeter time 10, from decimeter to centimeter time 10, from centimeter to millimeter time 10. If I convert direct from meter to centimeter time 100. From kilometer square to meter square time 1 million. From meter square to decimeter square time 100. From decimeter square to centimeter square time 100. From centimeter square to millimeter square time 100. Direct from millimeter to centimeter time 10,000. If I convert from ton to kilogram time 1000. From kilogram to gram time 1000. From day to hour time 24. From hour to minute time 60. From minute to second time 60. To convert direct from hour to second time 60 time 60 again. To convert from year to month time 12. From month to day time 30. From week to days time 7. From fidin to kilots time 24. From kilots to sah time 24. To direct from fidin to sah time 24 time 24. From pound or LE to piaster time 100 and the opposite divide 100. See with me next example to see in more details. Put the following ratio in simplest form. Number 1, 16 centimeter to 2 meter. This centimeter and this meter must have the same unit. Must have the same unit. So convert meter to centimeter. In draft, I convert the side have the problem. 2 meter to convert to centimeter time 100, so equal 200 centimeter. I replace 2 meter by 200 centimeter. So question become 16 to 200. This centimeter and this centimeter. Then do the simplify. Simplify by divide 4. By divide 4, 16 divide 4, 16 divide 4, 4. 200 divide 4, 50. It can simplify by divide 2, by divide 2, 2 by divide 2, 25. This is simplest form. Next example, half kilogram and 700 gram. Half kilogram, I can convert kilogram to gram by time 1000. Half kilogram time 1000 equal 500 gram. So this side become 500 gram to 700 gram. Same unit, okay, 500 to 700. This 20 and this 20 can simplify by divide 105 to 7. Next example, 27 months and 3 years. 27 months and 3 years. I can convert years to months by time 12 in draft. 3 times 12, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 1, 3, 36 months. So 27 to 36 can simplify by divide 3. By divide 3, 9. By divide 3, 12. Can simplify again by divide 3. By divide 3, 3 by divide 3 for its simplest form. And next, 12 carrots and 1.25 fidden. I have problem here. This fidden and this carrot convert from another. So in draft, I convert fidden to carrots by time 24. 1.25 times 24 equal what? Using calculator, 1.25 times 24 equal 30. So I can replace this by 30 what? 30 carrots, and this put as the same 12 carrots. I can divide by divide 3. By divide 3, 4. By divide 3, 10. Can simplify again by divide 2. By divide 2, 2. By divide 2, 5. This is simplest form. Last question I have. If I have 3 terms, 12 hours to 2 days to 16 hours, I can convert days to hour. In draft, 2 times, to convert from days to hour time 24, they have 24 hours equal 48 hours. So question become 12 to 48 to 16, all have the same unit hour. Can simplify by divide 4. By divide 4, 3. By divide 4, 12. By divide 4, 4. Make another simplify or the simplest form. The simplest form 3 to 12 to 4. See you in next video, inshallah.